because I am going to be packing up an Etsy. Etsy order with me for my Etsy shop, ASMR Sparkle Buds. So this is my latest junk journal starter kit that I am putting together. You can find it on my Etsy shop, ASMR Sparkle Buds. Yeah. So I have this wonderful bag that I thought would be great to fill with wonderful little junk journal items. So we've got a nice little tassel there, and I'm going to go ahead and fill it. We have this. We're going to start by putting this, and then this, and this. They're real pressed flowers. And these are just cute. This is just a notion that I thought people might enjoy. It's about a size 7 if you're wondering. Then these are great for junk journaling. Of course, you need your double-sided glue tape. And then lastly, last but not least, some scissors. And all of this is going to fit into this bookstore bag. Here we go. Zip it up. There we go. Okay guys, so there you have it. Pop on over to my Etsy shop, ASMR Sparkle Buds, for this wonderful junk journal starter kit. Peace be with you. Thanks for stopping by my channel. ASMR Sparkle Buds. Yeah. Hi everybody. Thanks for watching my channel this week. These are my nails this week. Hope you're all doing fabulous. Hey guys. This is found on the Etsyshop. Junk journal starter kit, and all that gets in this sweet bag.